Africa Content TV.
What book do you want to produce it to do? No wonder. Thank you very much for telling us what our son, my friend, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has been able to achieve so far. I can tell you that the Bola that I know will work more assiduously even before the sworn in for the second time after the convocation. We have known that that's all. More than 3 degrees. We are together, we are Senate, we are colleagues, donors, and we are entrenched we have for many years. So, and that love between us is still intact. So now coming to your, so we can discuss that I can close my eyes and sign for president. Because I know the proper man. It's not the first time we have a Yoruba president, but you can see the difference already. So I'm very grateful that many people have seen it. And I'm very happy that they have done it. They have appointed us. Because I know our dreams. Want to see Nigeria that beats the members of the Asian Tigers. Want to see Nigeria that be able to stand proudly in the world. That our green passport will not be it will not be an obstacle to us again. Want to see Nigeria where things go. Want to see Nigeria where you can achieve anything you set to rest on, irrespective of the circumstances of that. That is Nigeria of our dream. So coming back home now, you see, Ibadan is a city of all. People say that if you come to Ibadan, you don't need to know anybody. And it's because of the reason that I was made up. People say that my friends additionally some women. I think that's a man. Because the woman shop people have been all over Nigeria before. A lot of people, that was I came from my brother. They have been all over Nigeria. So you can understand that Ibadan is a town of all best. If you are good in anything, there is Ibadan that can achieve your dreams. So I have a problem. You know the problem. All countries for everything to work together happen. But I didn't choose for it to. What I said is that I don't see any anything that I can do if an outsider becomes the governor of your state. I said, I don't see anything that I can do, but in the good sense of the party, they believe that my sons are the best academic we can produce. You can talk to PDP, it's not bad. Talk to APM, it's not bad. Talk to AGC, it's not bad. So, whether I come there, I mean, whether I come there, you can see that the problem is not mine, it's yours. Mr. Chairman, what I can see is that with the team of Garcia, I don't have any doubt that they are not the right choice. And not many people can predict the testimonials that the candidate can predict. We are talking to you. Is a member of this country. And that is also to show what we believe in. We believe in service. You know that there are some privileges, but these privileges that are attached to positions are lower than the responsibilities attached to them. I'm sure that if you are sleeping 8 hours before you will start, let me start reduce it to 6. Whatever privilege to give you, can you compensate for that? No way. So only those people who believe in responsibility should be taking positions. So I am very sure that you have made the right choice. I had the privilege of meeting with the president. Well, even learning the primaries, I can boldly tell you that all the aspirants are from the same house, the House of Habitat. Yes. All the candidates today are from the same house, the House of Habitat. So I can assure you that we have no problem at all. I told them when I said, look, if at the end of it, you just sit down, you just look, all of you come on, let's sit down and decide. And we go out to say, this is our decision. So you have nothing to add. We don't have any interest at all about the choice of the state. The chairman, if you try to visit Ibadan, what we enjoy today in Ibadan is the work of our grandfathers. They were the ones who gave 1,600 hectares of land to the University of Ibadan. Up to now, for how much? For 1 billion. Those of you who don't know 1 billion, is 1 pound, 1 shilling. That is 21 naira. I'm going to it now. No, you are not starting to know. That is it so for 999 years. You can see that we are planted and just added it up. I remember talking and I said, oh, Prof, do you have the privilege of attending the university? Open University and the 3 sub near universities. I don't know whether many of you Nigerian College of Arts and Technology. There's one in Zaria, one in Ibadan, and one in Enugu. They have become after university. And all of them have become universities now. That was Zaria maybe. That was that became University of Business. And that of Enugu became Usuka. So we have nothing at all without the fact that we will always have the best culture out of Ghana. Please tell Mr. President that we wish him well. I had the privilege of seeing him some time ago. We thank him for the work he did in liberating our children and teachers. And I led a team of others from all most across branches of Ghana State to thank Mr. President for that seat. Also, when you are telling us about what Mr. President has done, I think in fact we are feeling it. There's money going to here. Out of 6 places in the Southwest, 4 are already increasing. The 2 that are not increasing, one, as I just said, I am going to support Mr. President. Another one, the other state.
President
When the other state, as he said, is your state. Yes. And you can assure me that when Tinubu was our son here, when he came, I told him, I said, maybe you found your wife in Bali. Yes. I've been asking for one thing, the only thing they ask me for, please give us by the state. And because everybody stood up to thank him for granting the request. So we know our request, and we believe that we will achieve it by the time before Mr. President completes the task. And when I came there, I said, before you give me 2031, the $1 billion will be achieved and saved by the grace of God. So we are all expecting, because Nigerians now are saying, it's not a question of Muslim or Muslim president or president. It's a question of who can perform. Yes. So when campaign starts, I'm sure that the president will definitely come back. So on behalf of the people of Ibadan land, I want to thank you for the visit, and I want to say that out of all Nigerians that are there,
Amen.